Hey everyone, this is Anurag here from Edutrainex PTE. I bring to you the latest repeated questions for speaking repeat sentence. For this month, these questions are all the latest and most repeated in the exam. Make sure you attempt all these questions if you are going to take the PTE test in this month. You can also comment below with your responses. If you are in luck, you might also see some of these questions appearing in the exam in this particular month. So let's begin.
Glass is not a real solid because it doesn't have a crystal structure.
The date of the invention of the first clock was disputed among historians.
The cafe house is closed, but the snack machine will run throughout the night.
A periodical is a publication that is issued regularly.
New York City is famous for its ethnic diversity.
Students must submit their assignments by the end of the term.
Every European carmaker has been on the blocks because of their dependence on diesel.
The amount of sleep adults need doesn't change as they age.
We provide a wide range of courses to undergraduate and postgraduate students.
The mismatch between the intended and reported uses of the instrument has become clear.
Essays should be typed with double spacing on white paper.
Knives and forks should be placed next to the spoon on the edge of the table.
I will now demonstrate how the reaction can be arrested by adding a dilute acid.
At that time, people moved from towns to villages.
Collaboration is a feature of a successful company.
Social work is not the only subject in sociology.
A man who suffered serious brain damage during an operation is suing the hospital. A man who suffered serious brain damage during an operation is suing the hospital. The paper has the potential to transform life sciences.
Lower speed limits are part of a new road safety campaign.
The tutorial rooms are located along the left-hand side.
Scientists have found all parts of science.
Organizational failure is considered from various perspectives in academic literature.
Please make sure you fill in all your details before submitting.
The first draft of the presentation is almost ready.
The contemporary literature works have been broadened and extended through interpretation.
The final exam will test material from all chapters covered in class this term.
The office opens on Mondays and Thursdays.
If you forgot your student number, contact Jenny Bryce for assistance.
Distance learning has become far more popular these days.
He kept giving me suggestive looks.
The agricultural sector in that country has been heavily subsidized.
I missed yesterday's lecture. Can I borrow your notes?
I didn't understand the author's point of view on immigration.
It is important to take gender into account when discussing these figures.
No more than 4 people can be in the cab at once.
Reserved collection books can be borrowed for up to 3 hours.
You can register your card at the University Student Centre or the library.
I can't make the lecture due to my scheduled doctor's appointment.
Regular consumption of junk food can adversely affect one's health.
We prefer destinations with guided tours for a more structured visiting experience.
I will be in my office every day from 11 to 12.
International students can get help with locating housing near the university.
If you want to quit the student union, tell the registrar.
The lecture on child psychology has been postponed until Friday.
We are not going to accept the assignment after the due date on Friday.
The medical center is located near the supermarket on North Street.
The initial results are intriguing, however, statistically speaking they are insignificant.
Students can get access to computers daily.
In the last few weeks, we've been looking at various aspects of the social history of London.